Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Ring application on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your Play Store and also make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. In the search box popping up at the top, type in Ring and perform your search. Tap on this application at the very top that says Ring Always Home from ring.com and tap on the install button to begin the downloading process. Ring is a free application that allows you to monitor and control all of your Ring devices in one place. The app connects to your Wi-Fi network and sends you instant alerts whenever people press your doorbell or trigger the built-in motion sensors. Once the application is installed, you'll be able to see an open button. Give it a tap to launch the app open, and that is how you can easily download Ring application for your Android phone. Log into an existing account or create a new one and follow through the on-screen prompts. That is how you can easily download Ring application for your Android. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Keep watching till then.